Hello, boys and girls. We are on day 2 of our biography, and I learned so much about your famous people yesterday. Thank you for submitting the pictures of your notes. So we are going to continue to take notes as we read. The first thing that you need to do as you take notes is you need to look at your previous day notes. So here are my previous day notes. I quickly look at those. This helps me understand and remember what I wrote about yesterday. Some things I want you to remember is as you were reading to stay focused and to think about what you were reading. Important dates, family members, your famous person's education, any obstacles or problems that your famous person has encountered, accomplishments, and any major events. So those are the things when you are reading and you come across those things, you should be writing those down. Here are my day 2 notes. You're going to see that I actually wrote my day 2 notes in a different color. Colors help keep my brain organized. If you don't have different colored pencils at your house, you are more than welcome to just draw a line like I did. And I just went ahead and continued to write down my notes. So some things I wrote about today is that Milton Hershey opened his own candy store at the age of 19 in 1876. Something I thought was very creative was he put a pipe in the basement that led to outside, and people could smell his candy, which made them want to come into his shop. He did have to close that shop. He was not a good businessman, but he could make good candy. So you're going to continue to write your notes down. Again, just like yesterday, you're going to open up your slide. You will have your book ready, your notebook ready. You will push play, and for 20 minutes you are going to read and take notes, and then submit a picture of your notes here. Again, there is a link in the word here that will take you directly to your notes. Have a great day. I can't wait to see your notes.